Friends, in this video we are discussing one of the important property of the divergence and curl. We have to show that del dot a bar cross b bar is equal to b bar dot del cross a bar minus a bar dot del cross b bar. This is dot. Right, you see. Now, to prove this one, we have to use some formulas. What are the formulas we are using? That first I am writing to. See, we have del dot f bar is equal to summation I dot dou f bar by dou x. Summation I dot dou f bar by dou x. Next, a bar cross b bar is equal to, you can write as negative of b bar cross a bar. Next, third one, a bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar dot c bar, and one more formula also. Finally, that is del cross a bar is equal to, you can write summation I cross dou a bar by dou x. So these are the four formulas we are using to solve this problem. Of course, this is a dot product, that is nothing but divergence. This is a cross product, so curl. These two you know very well. And this is, if suppose if you have I cross j is nothing but what? K. Suppose j cross I, if you written, what you will have? Minus k. So if you have changed the curl rotation in rotation of the vector, then you will get negative sign. Yes or no? Now we will solve step by step. Take the LHS part. What do we have LHS part? Del dot a bar cross b bar. This is equal to. Now use the first formula, like del dot f bar, that is summation I dot dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar. First formula we are used. Clear? Next, you split this one. Friends, you see, inside you have a cross product, not like a product of the two functions. This is the vector. Suppose u comma v is there. uv dash, you let simply uv derivative is uv dash plus vu dash you can write. But in this case, cross product is there, so you have to write u dash v plus uv dash. You need to write like this. Both will be same, but it is a cross product. So that is why we are not changing the order in this case. Now, dou a bar by dou x cross b bar plus a bar cross dou b bar by dou x. Now you see, I dot of two functions are there, so in between you have addition, so you can split, you can separate the terms. Then you will have I dot dou a bar by dou x cross b bar plus, again I can apply summation for two. First one is completed. Next, second one, summation I dot a bar cross dou b bar by dou x. Now in the problem, here what we have, both are positive, but in the problem what we have to prove negative sign. How we will get negative sign means, just you change the order of the cross product of the vectors. If a bar cross b bar is there, then you can write minus b bar cross a bar. So which one you have to take in these two? First one is there, second one is there, but which one means, here you see, for a bar, here you have a negative a bar, so you have to take for this or this. By the observation, you can say for the second one we can apply the second formula, second term. For this term, summation I dot, this is first as it is, dou a bar by dou x, because we have to prove first one as it is only in the problem also. Negative sign of summation. Now I am changing the vectors, so I can write here dou b bar by dou x cross a bar. Now which formula I used here? Second formula. So second formula also we used. Next, third formula we are using. What is the third formula? Dot product of a bar dot b cross c, you can write as a bar cross b bar dot c bar. So this is, you observe, a bar dot b cross c, b a bar cross b cross a bar dot b cross c. Both are similar or not? So which formula you can apply now? Third formula you can apply. What is the third formula? In this case, a bar cross b bar, nothing but here summation I cross dou a bar by dou x dot b bar minus, similarly this term also, I cross dou B bar by dou X dot A bar. Clear? This is which formula I applied here? Third formula I applied. Next, you see which one you have to prove? Del cross A type we need to prove. What is mean by del cross A? If you have summation I cross dou A bar by dou X, you can substitute del cross A bar. So here you observe, this is what I have, I cross dou A bar by dou X. This is nothing but fourth formula type or not, you see? Same fourth formula type. So if I apply, then I will have del cross A bar dot B bar minus, this is also similar to fourth problem or not? Check it here, fourth formula. Yes. So del cross B bar dot A bar. This is for what value actually? Del dot A bar cross B bar is equal to del cross A bar dot B bar minus del cross B bar dot A bar. That's it. Is it clear for everyone? Thank you for watching this video.